Hello to all my viewers and subscribers. A big thank you for all the encouragements, comments and appreciation you've shown for the videos that I continue to make every week. I just wanted to update you about a few developments on this channel, and feel free to let me know in the comments what you think of them. First of all, I'm switching to Eurorack for my modular expansion. I've ordered a Eurorack case, I've ordered a patch panel for my .com here in the background so that I can integrate the Eurorack into my modular setup. And there's a number of reasons for this. I'm running out of space here, and this while it's very impressive in the background for my videos, it takes up an immense amount of space and I can't continue to expand indefinitely in it. So space is one of the reasons, but the other real reason why I'm going Eurorack is because of the multifunction modules, the effects processors and all the other kinds of nifty gadgets that I can easily get in the Eurorack format. I have been very happy with my .com, and there is no better vendor on earth than synthesizers.com in terms of their customer care and their responsiveness to their customers, combined with their international shipping and all of that. But finding other modules other than .com modules is problematic for me living in the West Indies in a small island like Barbados, and getting it shipped over here, and then there's the customs duties and everything. The beauty of Eurorack, of course, is that several of the modules can be bought right off of Amazon, and there are many other large suppliers willing to send the modules anywhere in the world. So if I establish a relationship with one of them, I should pretty much be able to get any module I want. Then the other advantage is that there's a large second-hand market for modules, on which I've been encouraged to tap into. So for those persons who are interested in modular synthesis, that will be the direction I will be going. I'll be able to demonstrate some Eurorack modules in the short near future. And you may have seen my videos on the DX27. I'm trying to expand the video productions to the programming of the FA-06. Comments have shown that the FA-06 is incredibly popular by the number of viewers and questions that I've received concerning it. And the FA-06 has a huge sample base, as well as two synthesis engines, a virtual analog engine as well as the sample-based engine. And I want to be able to show you how to create your own sounds on the FA-06, because I feel that would be a winner with the viewers. Then the other direction that I hope to carry the channel in the near future as well is in the direction of practical electronics projects, which will be focused on synthesizers and synthesizer music. I would like to get my electronics experimenters and DIYers building some of my own designs in pedals, guitar pedals, or even synthesizer modules eventually. So that's another direction that I'm thinking to carry the channel. The channel is primarily a channel that deals with music, it deals with synthesizers, and it deals with electronics. Those are the primary interests. If you're a subscriber who subscribes for other interests, be sure that you're not going to be neglected. Every month I put up a hiking video. Every month I try to put up at least one insightful commentary on the Bible or spiritual matters. I'm also hoping to do a once a month video on some aspect of health and wellness, and these are incidental, so don't be too upset if you see lots of theory videos to support the courses that I lecture in at the university. You may have subscribed to them, you will not be left out. There's going to be lots of theory videos for all the courses that I teach at the university. In fact, one of my greatest disappointments is sometimes when the videos are in waiting mode, where I'm just trying to find the time to bring them to completion. So I made myself a promise to try and post 2 or 3 videos every single week, and I hope I'll be able to keep to that in spite of all the busyness that I have to go on with down in the university. So thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel. If you're not yet a subscriber but these topics interest you, please subscribe. I'm hoping to be able to do something special for my subscribers in the years to come to show my deep appreciation for their subscriptions. And please feel free to interact in the comments. I always try to answer every comment personally. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you shortly in a video that you will enjoy.